In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and work with Wix Sections. Whether you're building a new website or looking to enhance an existing one, understanding how to effectively manage sections can greatly enhance the user experience. So, let's dive right into it, starting with accessing the Wix website editor. First, you need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for all things website related, where you'll make all the design and content adjustments to your site. If you've already been here before, you know that it's quite user-friendly. If not, don't worry, we'll make this journey as seamless as possible. Once you're in the Wix editor, the next step is to add a section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see various options, and what you're looking for here is the Add Section button. This feature is crucial because sections are what allow you to break up your page into different parts, making your content more digestible and visually appealing. Just go ahead and click that button. After clicking Add Section, you'll be presented with a variety of layout options. Pick any layout that suits the vision you have for your site. These layouts range from simple text blocks to complex multimedia displays, catering to whatever design preference you might have. Take a moment to explore the different options if you like, and choose one that aligns best with your intended design. Once you've selected a layout, it's time to customize it a bit with the Quick Edit feature. Click on the layout you chose and a menu will pop up, giving you a range of customization options. This is where you can start tailoring the section's appearance to better fit your site's style and functionality. Next, focus on the background of your section. Clicking on Section Background allows you to change the visual backdrop of your selected layout. Whether you want a solid color and image or something more textured, this option will help you set the right tone and atmosphere for that part of your page. With the background set, let's move on to the title. Clicking on this option lets you input and style the heading text for the section. A catchy and descriptive title not only informs but also draws the viewer's attention, so make sure it's just right. Following that, you'll want to add your main content. Click on Paragraph to insert and format the textual content that expands on the title. This could be a description, an article, or any copy that carries the bulk of the information you want to convey. Finally, if you ever feel the need to change the structure, go ahead and click on Layout. This will allow you to choose a new layout at any time. This flexibility ensures that your design can evolve as your website grows and adapts. Adding and working with sections in Wix is straightforward, but mastering it lets you create a rich, engaging experience for your audience. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing.